teachers, and my dear friends. I, Adya Agrawal of grade 7B, on behalf of Amber House, welcome you all to this beautiful winter morning for celebrating Christmas together. Let us now begin with the program for the day. By praying to the Lord Almighty to shower His immense blessings on all of us. I would like to call upon the stage Cecil Singh from grade 4 for saying the prayer.
Good morning everyone, I am Sejal Singh from grade 4. Today I am going to do prayer. So join your hands and close your eyes. Lord, you came upon a midnight clear to bring joy to the world and draw us near. It was a holy night when you came from above to fill our hearts with hope and love. Thank you, sweet Jesus boy, for clothing us with comfort and joy.
With all of us. Next, I would like to call upon the stage Atrika Pathak from grade 4 for sharing today's thought with all of us.
Andrika Pathak of grade 4A, and today I am going to present a thought. One who has not Christmas in his heart can never find it under a tree. I repeat my thought. One who has not Christmas in his heart can never find it under a tree. Meaning of the thought is, Christmas is the spirit of giving out the thought of getting. It's a feeling of peace and love for others. Thank you.
Thank you, Adrika, for those wise and thought-provoking words. We all know that Christmas is celebrated all over the world on 25th December every year to mark the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. People all over the world honor the birth of Jesus Christ by decorating Christmas trees, preparing Christmas cards, gifts, and who can forget Father Christmas, that is Santa Claus. To elaborate more on this, I would like to call upon the stage Aditya Sharma of grade 8 to share more information on Christmas with all of us. Now, I would like to call upon the students who are a part of the choir to sing some beautiful Christmas carols. Singing Christmas carols is an important part of the Christmas celebration. So, let us all listen to some lovely Christmas carols. Joy in giving, without the thought of guilt. So, to mark the spirit of Christmas, let me now call upon the students participating in the skit Saint Nicholas story. Please put your hands together for them and get ready to witness the heart-touching story of our beloved Santa Claus.
When all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care in hope that Saint Nicholas soon would be there. Welcome everyone. Let us all come together and witness the story of Saint Nicholas, who is better known as our beloved Santa Claus. Saint Nicholas was a bishop who lived in the 4th century in a place called Myra, which is in present-day Turkey. A devout Christian family. His parents were quite wealthy and he had a happy early childhood. But unfortunately, he lost his parents at a pretty young age. Hence, from his childhood days only, he began helping the poor and sick people around him by using all the means he had. Slowly,
These were some mesmerizing and melodious Christmas carols. Now, let us all get ready for a scintillating dance performance.